Close your eyes. You think your body is shutting down, right? Wrong. While you're resting, your brain is actually entering its most violent phase of the day. It's physically shrinking your cells, pumping fluid through your skull, and firing more electricity than when you're wide awake. If it didn't do this, the waste building up in your head right now would literally become toxic. Here are 50 facts about why sleep is the most active thing you'll ever do. The glymphatic wash, the science of cleaning your brain, doesn't have a normal lymphatic system like the rest of your body. Instead, it has the glymphatic system, which only turns on when you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink by 60%. This shrinkage creates space for cerebrospinal fluid (CSF) to rush in. Think of it as a biological power wash for your neurons. It flushes out beta-amyloid, the same metabolic waste linked to Alzheimer's. This is why pulling an all-nighter makes you feel physically foggy. Your brain is literally swimming in yesterday's trash. The overnight electrical storm, REM, and memory. During REM sleep, your brain activity is almost identical to when you're solving a complex math problem. Your brain replays your day's memories at 20x speed to decide what to keep. It's not just storing facts, it's deleting the junk data you don't need. Your body enters sleep paralysis atonia specifically so you don't act out these intense electrical signals and hurt yourself. The lies we believe debunking the myths "I only need 5 hours" is a genetic lie. Less than 1% of the population has the gene to function on that. Alcohol doesn't help you sleep. It sedates you. Sedation is not the same as the biological cleaning process. Your brain can microsleep for seconds while your eyes are open if you are sleep deprived. You wouldn't even know it happened. The survival gear. Why we do it. Every animal ever studied, even jellyfish with no brains exhibit sleep-like states. If you go long enough without sleep, your brain will eventually start eating its own synaptic connections to try and stay functional. So, the next time you think you're wasting time by sleeping, remember, your brain is currently performing the most important maintenance of your life. If you're surprised that your brain literally shrinks to clean itself, you need to see our video on why your immune system is actually eating your tattoos.